In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Trello due dates showing up in a calendar view with Outlook authorized to keep everything in sync. First, head over to Trello.com and sign into your account. We'll be working from a specific Trello board, so once you're in, click Boards to see the list of boards you have access to. Open the board you want to connect to Outlook. I'll use a sample board here, but you can pick any board where you track tasks with due dates. As a quick tip, only cards with due dates will appear on a calendar, so if you want items to show up later, make sure those cards have due dates set. With your board open, look for the Power-Ups option in the board header. Click that to open the Power-Ups panel. Then choose Add Power-Ups to open the directory of available integrations. In the directory, use the search bar and type Outlook. You're looking for the Outlook Calendar integration listing. Open it to confirm it's the right one for connecting Trello to your Microsoft Outlook calendar. If you're on a team workspace with restrictions, you may need admin approval. Otherwise, you can proceed. Click Add to install the Outlook Calendar Power-Up for this board. You may see a confirmation screen or a quick permission summary. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add again. When the add process completes, close any pop-up or overlay windows using the X so you're back on your board. This just keeps your workspace tidy and ensures you're seeing the new options that the Power-Up adds. If the Power-Ups panel isn't visible anymore, open Power-Ups again from the board header to confirm the integration is listed. Click Outlook Calendar inside the Power-Ups panel to open its details. This is where you'll configure the connection and see the authorization options. After reviewing, you can close the details with the Close button. The Power-Up will still be active on your board. Now, on the board, you should see a prompt from the Outlook Calendar Power-Up to connect your accounts. Click the option to authorize Outlook first. This opens a Microsoft sign-in window where you'll choose the account you want to use and grant permission for the integration. Make sure you select the correct organization account if you're on a work or school tenant, since some companies require admin approval to allow connections. Once Outlook is authorized, click the option to authorize Trello if prompted. This allows the connector to read the board's due dates and share them to your calendar. If something doesn't look right, you can use the Reset option in the Power-Ups panel to clear the current authorization and run through those prompts again. That's handy if you accidentally chose the wrong Outlook account or you switched workspaces. When you're done authorizing, close any remaining pop-ups with the X so you're back on the board view. Next, switch to your board's calendar view to confirm everything looks good. At the top of the board, open Views and select Calendar. You'll see your cards with due dates plotted on the calendar. You can click into a card to adjust its due date, and changes you make here will carry through to the integration. If you don't see a card you expected, double check that it actually has a due date, and refresh the page once after authorizing to let the sync settle. Time zone settings can also affect how dates appear, so make sure your Trello and Outlook time zones match for consistent results. That's it. You went to Trello, opened your board, added the Outlook Calendar Power-Up, authorized Outlook in Trello, used Reset if needed, and then verified your tasks in the calendar view. With this in place, you'll spend less time copying dates between tools and more time focusing on your work. Thanks for watching and happy planning.